welcome to my channel. My name is Alex. If you're new here, I'm a cruelty-free Amy who loves to play with snake, and of course you've been here before. Welcome back. Today's look is going to be a very quite simple look. Hopefully I can make it simple. But I thought this look would be perfect for the holiday season that is coming up now. Thanksgiving and Christmas. Whatever holidays are coming out now. Okay. So, it's going to be quite simple look. Hopefully you can pair it up with any lip color, any eyeliner that you want to do. The palette we're going to use is the Mega Revolution Fierce palette. While Amplifying Fierce, this is such an amazing palette. It's a very warm palette, and everything else. I haven't really dug into it the first, like I used this a couple of times at the beginning of the year, but I didn't really use it. I am planning, hopefully, if you guys want me to do a 3-look video with this palette, please let me know down below so you guys can see what looks I can come up with. This will probably be 2 shades I've been using, maybe 3. Because this is a very warm palette. This is not neutral at all. It's very warm. So let's see if we can get this palette in this. So you don't have to use this palette. You can use any palette you want. Let's go for warm, neutral colors that will fit for your skin tone. Yeah. Hopefully we can do a cut piece with this. So yeah. The first shade we're going to use is this color right here. It's like a transition shade. I'll use a fluffy brush because I just want it to be nice and nice and, you know. You see my cat's here playing whatever, doing something on the side. You can do any kind of crease that you want depending on your eye shape. Just hopefully, so I can see my cat wants to move stuff, so sorry. We have animals. Okay. I'm going to use another fluffy brush and just go with, we're going to use this shade. I think it's a pretty shade. These do not have names, only have numbers. So that number is 13 and we use 1. We're just gonna yeah, okay, it's really good. And then we're going to use a white base to just, hopefully my camera doesn't freaking die on me, and we'll be right back. Sorry about that, my cat was messing with that, and I had to charge up my thing. So, what we're going to use, I'm going to use a flat brush. That's what I use. I use this as a cut crease. Everything else I usually use glitter, but I want this to be bright, so I'm going to use a white base just to cut the crease over. We're just going to see if we can, I might go up with the eyeliner. So, same with that, I'm going to use a flat brush, and we're just going to use this shade right here, because I want to go bright, because of the eyeliner I'm going to use. So you can use black, green, blue, whatever colors you want to use. I think any color will work with this look. And I think a shimmer will work, not just a matte. So do what's best for your skin tone. So I said I won't go wet. Just do what's best for you. And then I'm going to do the other eye and I'll be right back. So, I think that's good. If you want a really creamy eyeshadow base, use NYX. This is really creamy and you do have to set it with an eyeshadow or it's going to move everywhere. So, just a little heads up. It's not my favorite, but it does its job. And my cat's just like, just like normal. So, I think this is so pretty already. So, I'm going to use the Milani Stay Put Matte 17-Hour Wear in Safari. This is actually one of my favorite formulas, but also my favorite applicator in so many ways. It is a felt tip. It does dry matte. It's a nice khaki green. If you like khaki green eyeliners, I think you should try this eyeliner. So what I'm going to do is just go up like that. Like I go towards, there you go. It goes towards the my eyebrow shape. So we're just gonna go like this. I like this, like it's so, like it's very liquidy, liquid. And I gotta tell you, if you are going to do this, don't do it. Wait till it's dry, and it dries pretty quickly. So that's what I'm going to do. And it's also easy to fill. I feel like I should went this way, but you know what? I'm just gonna. Do the best for your eye shape. That's all I gotta say. I am still learning to do what's best for my eye shape with clean eyeliner. And sometimes I'm just like, whatever. But I'm thinking just go up next time, not all over. So we're just gonna. And also, it's so easy to get close to eyeliner with this. Just so that's to let you know. When I look up, it's going to be nice. So, like, they have the black and they have brown. I don't know if they still have this in stock. You can always check them. I'm going anyway. See? I don't know if you can see it, but I can because I keep looking. So what's gonna be? Because it's, like I said, that's not bad. I like that one. Now I'm going to fix that. Let it dry a little bit. This will work. I'll be right back and do the other. I am going to put mascara before I do my face. I don't know, but I'll be right back with the other guys. Okay. These guys. What is this? Oh, yeah, this is not in stock anymore, so this is like a, so I'll take me on, let's do some glitter eyeliner. It's in the shade 960. Rose cut me up. So, you know. We're gonna use this shade. This is a nice shade. This is from Colourpop, Lippie pencil, and Bichette. But I'm not saying Lippie. Bichette. I don't know. It's a nice red color. Okay, I'm going to use the Covergirl Exhibitionist. Sorry. Exhibitionist. Uncensored mascara. This is like an oldie. But I do like it. Now, I do like this better than the blue one I got. The blue one's quite nice. Now this is the finished. Okay, this is the finished look. I think this is such a pretty look. I really do like this. I think it's a beautiful, easy, simple look that anybody can do. What with anybody's skin tone, I believe, depending on the shades you use. For this palette, I do like it. I am definitely going to use this. If you want me to, I can do a good little video with this plus the swatches and just give you what I do like about this palette. So just let me down below in the comments. But yeah. So this is like one of my favorite looks. I think it's gonna be a nice. It's going to be a nice start for the holiday season look. So I cannot wait to see. But guys, if you did like this video, hit the like button. Of course, if you haven't already and want to be part of the Makeup Addict family, we're a judgmental-free zone. This is a this is a judgment-free zone, and this is a drama-free zone. We don't do drama, and we do not judge people at all. We just love what we do and have fun. And of course, you haven't also hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any new videos that I upload. So guys, I love you. I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at, and God bless. And soon to be happy holidays or Merry Christmas, Happy Thanksgiving, whatever you desire to celebrate in. But yeah, have a blessed day. Bye.